Learning Express Job and Career Accelerator is an educational database with information about a wide variety of careers, test preparation aids, life skills instructional materials, and resume and job interview assistance. To make full use of its resources, you should start by signing up for an account. Once you're logged in under your own account, go to the Centers category. Here you can see the opening menu to a vast variety of materials that you can use. I urge you to take some time to explore all of the options available, which are far too numerous to address in this video. As an example, let's look at the Resume and Job Letter section under Job and Career Accelerator. To start writing a resume, click on Start Building Your Own Resume. There are many options here. You can choose to upload and alter a resume, start one from scratch, or begin writing a cover letter. I'm going to create a new resume. Give your resume a name and enter a description if you wish. Select a job category. Select your job experience. And click on Start Building My Resume. Here is the Resume Building tool. Go through each element of your resume, adding content. Another useful section in Learning Express is College Success Skills. Let's look at the section for Organizational Strategies. In the Organizational Strategies subcategory, you can find instruction about setting goals, multitasking effectively, and managing your time. This is only a brief glimpse into the many useful educational materials that you can find in Learning Express. Be sure to create your own account and explore the many opportunities available to you under the Centers menu.